Following reports of terrorist-related recruitment of students within the school sector, Senator Bato de la Rosa calls for immediate and concrete actions to terminate these instances inside the school premises. Mia Layagin has the details.
Meron bang parents na gusto maging NPA ang anak niya? Eh yung NPA nga mismo, ayaw ngang gawing NPA yung anak niya. Di ba? Oh, yung mga kaliwa dyan, yung mga nasa party list, ang anak nila nandun sa abroad nag-aaral. Di ba? Pero yung mga estudyante na mga mahihirap, nire-recruit na para lumaban sa gobyerno. Pero mga anak nila, nasa Lasal, nasa abroad, pinagpaaral. Napaka-ipokrito ng mga tao ito.
This was the remark of Senator Bato de la Rosa, who chairs the Senate Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs during the continuation of inquiry on the schemes of terrorist groups in radicalization and recruitment of students in educational institutions. During the Senate hearing on Tuesday, de la Rosa pushed further inquiry and discussion regarding modus operandi of terrorist groups in recruiting students inside the school institutions through disguising as legitimate and genuine student organizations.
Some in the guise of legitimate student organization o di kaya ng kanilang mga university professors into the CPP, NPA, NDF terrorist group.
De la Rosa noted the importance of understanding these situations to know what and which policies should be enhanced and enforced further in order to prevent and protect students from said recruitment and radicalization. During the hearing, the Philippine National Police Directorate for Operations presented data on the number of militant students recruited from 2014 to present, reaching 168 in total. From this data, 33 died during military and police operations, 42 were arrested, while 93 surrendered. Authorities also presented 168 school institutions with alleged recruitment activities, 11 elementary schools, 34 high school, and 123 colleges or universities.
Based on the results of the custodial briefing conducted on the arrested personalities and personal interview of all those who surrendered, it was founded that recruitment in school is happening widely. The recruits have passed through certain school-based student youth organizations, and lastly, communist insurgency destroyed the lives and future of many of our youth.
De la Rosa also urged the Commission on Higher Education to act upon reports that teachers themselves are behind radicalization and recruitments of students to be part of terrorist groups.
Sila pa nagtulak sa kanilang mga estudyante para maging rebelde. Ito dapat ma-identify natin itong mga teachers na ito.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Para makasuhan natin.
Yes po, Mr. Chair. Yes po.
Makasuhan natin talaga. Last kwan pa natin ito, hinahanap eh.
Following this, the Senator also urged other lawmakers, authorities, and other stakeholders to work together in addressing and to finally cut these recruitments on students.
Magtutulungan tayo. Hindi ito kakayanin ng isang chairman lang ng komite, isang senador lang. Hindi ito kakayanin. Tayong lahat, dahil tayo naman, anak naman natin ang mga bibiktima nito. Mga apo natin ang mga bibiktima. Kaya dapat magkakaisa tayo dito para hindi na kawawa yung mga bata.
This is Mia Layagin for EuroTV News.